Installing the KOHLER Statement 2 function Rainhead. For this installation, you will need the following tools and materials: safety glasses, adjustable wrench, measuring tape, pencil, drill, 2x4s, socket wrench with 7/16" socket, and sealant tape. Install 2x4 support framing between the ceiling joists 2 3/4 inches to 4½ inches above the finished ceiling. Using a pencil, mark the position of the mounting block on the support framing. Using the provided 3/16" drill bit, drill a hole at each mark. With this socket wrench, secure the mounting block to the support framing using the supplied washers and screws. Remove the plaster guard. Route the piping from the valve to the mounting block. Apply sealant tape to the ends of the inlet pipes. Thread the inlet pipes into the mounting block. Apply sealant tape to both ends of the outlet pipes. Thread the knurled ends into the mounting block and thread on the end caps. Turn on the water supplies and check for leaks. Turn off the water supplies. Unthread the end caps and outlet pipes. Remove any sealant tape. Reinstall the plaster guard. Install the finished ceiling between the minimum and maximum lines on the plaster guard. Remove the plaster guard. Apply sealant tape to both ends of the outlet pipes. Thread the knurled ends into the mounting block. Position the notch at the top and slide the arm up the outlet pipes to the mounting block. Loosely install the set screw to the escutcheon. Being careful not to scratch the arm, position the escutcheon about 2 inches below the ceiling. Tighten the set screw with the provided hex wrench. Thread the adapters onto the outlet pipes. Using the provided hex wrench, remove the set screw, clip, and protective plug from the Rainhead. The 2-function Rainhead can be installed in either direction. Install the Rainhead in the orientation that best suits the showering environment. Press the Rainhead onto the ends of the arm adapters. Install the clip and secure with the set screw. Slide the arm down to the Rainhead. Loosen the set screw and slide the escutcheon up against the ceiling. Tighten the set screw.